It's the church of Saint Thomas, which traditionally was the church.
Mainly of this environmental degradation? And the answer would be it's in urban area. So many of the initiatives to tackle environmental challenge, be it at the global level, be it at the national level, some of our work in Jakarta, and perhaps of interest to many of you who are studying urban studies. And let me share a few things about Jakarta. Change is not only about increase of ridership, reductions of traffic jams, but our main objective, Professor Thomas, if I may say, we would like to see. I think it has been used as an English language through Kampus, the hamlet or the neighborhood. So we build as high density, and that is the directions we are now.
Let's start with the first and then second wave. Sorry.
I think one wave is already long. Is there any other questions?
I guess
But
not.
if I may, just put them together.
Okay, these are our former alumni from Jakarta. Yes, please.
Hi. It was really nice to hear your presentation, and I see it's really a great success. And I'm Sichun, and also the German students with another three. And my first question is very similar to Ravi's, and how you deal with the private operator. You make this unified program, and what if some private sectors they don't want to join you program, they feel like they will earn less? And my second question is, when you pedestrian the city, how do you deal with the parking lot? There will be less parking space. Yes, thank you.
My name is Delia. Thank you so much for your talk. It's really interesting for us to hear. I noticed that your ridership number it peaked in 1 million in February 2020. Do you know what has been how those ridership numbers have changed over the course of COVID, and how that has impacted those ridership numbers?
Oui, I have two very simple questions.
Just a little bit louder, your name?
Yeah, my name is Louis.
Louis.
Yeah, Louis. I have two very simple questions. First, how do you deal with all the funding that is necessary with all these infrastructure projects? And the second question is, how do you coordinate, like concretely, all these projects? Do you have any coordinating body or agency on what are?
Here's the thing. Okay. In the past, these were having transaction. They pay the fee and they provided the service. That was the case. And we in government were providing the regulations, the minimum service regulation in terms of cost. I mentioned earlier that household were spending about 30% of their income for this. For mobility, we would like to convert that into 8%. And who will be responsible for this? So we don't copy from a particular city. So if you ask me, in which city are we referring to? We didn't refer to any cities for a benchmark.
If you have to already, you can register. Carolina has one goes, I don't know. They have been negotiations. I quite understand what they're going to get. close connection with your. And then with all of you, please, the students, yeah. Please come, students. Yeah. We do it in 2 lines. Okay, we have more photographs than I have realized.
So put your smile face. Cheese.
Thank you. Thank you again. Thank you, okay.
What to do? Dua tahun dari sini 2 tahun jadi satu 2 satu 2 sekarang